Hi, Vieira with the stockmarketlive.tv. Well, today we are going to address refiners, since we made a call with regards to the most important companies in the world in this sector. I'm referring to Tesoro, ticker TSO, as well as Valero, ticker VLO. All right? These are the most important companies in this sector. We downgraded them. We said sell ahead of earnings, very clear, for free, on the blog of the company. And we announced for subscribers investment plans on both stocks to make at least 30 million US dollars without any risk whatsoever. All right? So if you wanted to participate, you participate. Having said this information, it has been available for free to investors worldwide. So when people they say, I don't comprehend why Tesoro, it is crashing, and Valero, it lost everything within a matter of 4 days. So are you joking? So, I mean, you know who I am. So if I tell you sell everything, you make questions. I mean, people are lunatic. Let me tell you a bit of the story with regards to investing in these refiners, as well as oil, since the very beginning. When I said that oil was going to collapse, when I said that I was investing and betting on oil crash, Goldman Sachs had a price target, $200. At that time, oil was trading around $1,010, 107, 1,010. That was the top, all right, in oil, more or less. Having said this, there is an article where I said oil is going to crash. Furthermore, I'm investing against these American investment firms and hedge fund managers. As the case of Carl Icahn, you have articles on the website saying neglect, disregard Carl Icahn, invest against Carl Icahn in Chesapeake Energy, Transocean. The name of the stocks are mentioned on the website in due time, ahead of a crash meltdown. You had information. With regards to refiners, the title of the article, it is here on the blog of the company. You click on it. Those that they are looking for free information, because if you wanted, to sell at the very top and to bet that these stocks they were going down, you had to be a subscriber, all right? But if you want, nevertheless, if you had long positions in these refiners, these companies, you had this information and you saved a lot of money. So the title is very explicit. World's best trader sell refiner stocks ahead of market's crash. All right? So what did happen meanwhile? Well, Tesoro, it was trading at $86. 86, right? Okay. Yesterday, shares I think that were trading on this week around 70. So it lost more than $16 per share. Oh, I didn't know. Oh, Georgie, I didn't know that was going to happen. Oh, you don't know. Oh, you don't know. All right. This company was downgraded to strong sell last year in 2015. It started at 108. Wall Street raising targets, like in Solar Seed, Valero. In the case of Valero, it's the same. The case of Valero already announced it last year. What did happen in Valero? But, well, I can continue here for 1 hour, but I'm not going to do so, because the importance of these companies is tremendous in the world, not only in the US stock market, but worldwide. Why? I'm not going to explain, all right? That is confidential information. But you have it here, in fact, one of the links that I was referring to. Do not listen to Carl Icahn buying Transocean stock available since 2014. Click on the link, since 2014, all right? Other article, you have here the link. Just, I'm clicking on it, you see? Problem opens, you see? It works, open. You look at, you even have the picture of Carl Icahn. Invest against Carl Icahn. It says here, oh, look. Invest against Carl Icahn on Transocean stock bubble. Transocean stock bubble. Transocean, it was downgraded to strong sell here at $80 plus, all right? While, you remember, Carl Icahn, I don't have anything against Carl Icahn. He was saying the same with regards to Apple, that was worth more than $200. Well, today you have Apple at 94, and I was downgrading shares to strong sell, to sell for the first time at 133, all right? And live, in real time, while all these analysts, they were raising targets to $200, all right? And even Forbes to 256. Maybe someone will upgrade to $500. But I don't have any problems with Apple or Carl Icahn or any of these Wall Street firms. Everyone is entitled to have their own opinion. None of them works with central banks. None of them has a proven track record. But that is entirely your problem, it is not mine. So when people today, they say, oh, Alex, I'm losing money in Tesoro. Oh, I'm surprised by the crash in Tesoro. No one had a strong sell rating except you. No one had a strong sell rating in Valero. Valero is a stock today trading, $54. That was the price, $54. Morgan Stanley, ahead of the crash, this important correction, it is not a crash, raised the targets to $100. They did the same in Solar City to 104. Where is the Security Exchange Commission? Where is the Security Exchange Commission? Solar City yesterday was trading at $18. An investment firm ahead of a crash raises targets in Solar City, a bubble, to $104. Where are the authorities? That is the question that you have to make, all right? Where are the authorities with regards to the investment firms in Wall Street raising targets in these stocks ahead of a crash? Tesoro, Valero, and so on. I'm not comparing Valero or Tesoro with Solar City, all right? Or LinkedIn, other bubble. I'm not doing that, all right? I'm referring to the stupidity of the American investor remained invested or long or adding to the long side while I said markets are going to crash. Today, pre-market, you have the down, almost down. The down is down 300 points. The Nikkei has been selling off, plunging since I announced at the top. And all this live. And people, they are surprised. Oh, I didn't know. I'm losing money. I'm keep adding to the long side. You have, like the case of GoPro, they also had price targets above $100 in Wall Street. GoPro is a stock trading today at single digits. Are you losing money in the markets? During a lifetime investing opportunity for short sellers? So the question that is, where were you in March 2009? When I announced the bot in the markets, the question is, where were you? Because Valero, I upgraded Valero to strong buy at $15, not at $70. You have other article on the website of the company buying 1 million shares of Valero when other Wall Street firm had a sell rating in Valero. This a couple of years ago when I upgraded the shares of or reiterated strong buy rating in Amazon at $285. Valero was trading at $34. Wall Street had a sell rating. The bank, do you want the name of the bank? I'm not going to tell you. Google it. It's one of the biggest banks in the world. I was saying buy 1 million shares of Valero. $34. At $70, these companies, what they did was, oh, $70, I like it. I didn't like it, 34, but I 70. Oh, I love it. Give me 100. That's what they said. Google it. These are the Americans, my friends. The most stupid investor in the world. It is Wall Street playing with these guys. 2% of the Americans, Wall Street, 1%, 0.5%. They are playing with the rest of the fools. That is 98, 99%. That is the game in Wall Street. It's very simple. So there is no need for Security Exchange Commission. There is no need for central banks. The fools are there. I mean, Donald Trump spotted the opportunity. I mean, this is so simple. So people are losing money in the markets. I mean, I repeat, Tesoro, plunged. Valero, plunged. The investment plan that I announced here, and the forecast, it is there, recorded live. If you are a subscriber, you have it, all right? You already knew that this was going to happen. So there is no need for day trading, short-term trading, or whatever, my friends. You had to be there. So if today you are still waiting for $80, for example, to sell short Valero, well, keep waiting. It might come. Like we say, on Friday, go to the church. Every single Friday you go to the church. And you pray for suckers. This is how it works. You pray for stock market suckers, Americans. And they kept adding during the collapse. But none of these guys was there buying at $15. Where were they saying that, I had the highest target in the world in Valero, right? But where were they when in fact Valero was a buying opportunity? And then they say, I don't comprehend why this selling off, why this collapsing, crashing all these companies and blah, blah, blah. And then they invent arguments with regards to all this matter. But, these people are lunatic, quite frankly, lunatic. And they believe on the news, they read the news, they, listen to the conference calls. It's amazing, the stupidity of these people. You had before a perpetual money machine in Wall Street. Capitalize, monetize on the stupidity of these people while they exist, and they will exist always. There are even more people in the world. So the more, the better. Higher it goes, better it is. And learn about it. Because, again, as I just demonstrated, the article, it was there. So even if you are very bullish and you didn't have to sell short if you didn't want to, you had to sell your shares, my friends. Don't make questions. Pull the trigger. Otherwise, you are more one American stupid, all right? With your fucking passport that is not worth anything. Everyone is laughing at you, primarily or mainly, precisely, the people that you think that they love you. It is Wall Street. Everyone in Wall Street is laughing today about you. You are the sucker in the American history. Thank you, and good luck investing in Valero, in Tesoro, and in the US stock market.